Welcome to Wednesdays with Weingartz. I'm Ron Weingartz. Today I'm here to talk about the Exmark Vertex V-Series mowers. The V-Series are battery powered. So the battery powered, a lot of our customers ask, well, geez, when's Exmark coming out with a battery powered machine? So they're a little late to the game, but in Exmark fashion, if it can't bear the Exmark name, they're not going to come out with it. So this gives you the same quality you're used to in an Exmark, gives you all day runtime, that Exmark signature quality of cut. So this is an Exmark through and through. So the V-Series with the battery market's kind of sporadic, but there are those applications, whether it's a homeowners association that requires a battery, don't want the gas, whether you're marketing yourself as a battery operator. You know, so there is a market for it, and there might just be certain jobs where you just need that machine to handle certain jobs that require it. So the Vertex V-Series kind of rounds out some of the other models they're coming out with in the battery series. But there again, it's an Exmark through and through. And this is something we do have access to a demo machine, so if you want to test it to make sure it's going to live up to your needs, because the battery, even though it's been out a while, is still kind of new to a lot of people. We're here to make sure it's the right machine for you. So stop on in and check out the Vertex V-Series. Thanks for listening today.
Weingartz, everything.